Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Exercise A from chapter number 5, Our Freedom Struggle. Number 1. The Battle of Plassey was fought in A. 1757, B. 1758, C. 1759 and D. 1800. Answer is 1757. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. Number 2. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by A. Lord Dalhousie, B. Lord Ripon, C. Lord Curzon and D. None of these. Answer is Lord Dalhousie. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Number C. The revolt of 1857 was the first war of dash. A. Plassey, B. Independence, C. Buxar, D. Kolkata. Answer is Independence. The revolt of 1857 was the first war of independence. Number 4. Last Mughal emperor was A. Bahadur Shah Zafar, B. Jahangir, C. Shah Jahan, D. Akbar. Answer is Bahadur Shah Zafar. The last Mughal emperor was Bahadur Shah Zafar. Number 5. Dash were the first European to come to India. A. British, B. Dutch, C. French and D. Portuguese. Answer is D. Portuguese. Portuguese were the first European to come to India. Exercise B. Write T for true and F for false. Number 1. The Indian soldiers won the Battle of Buxar. Answer is wrong. Number 2. Mughal Emperor Jahangir gave permission to trade in India to English East India Company. Answer is right. Number 3. Farmers were very happy with the British. Answer is wrong. Number 4. Soldiers refused to use Enfield cartridges. Answer is right. Number 5. Bahadur Shah was the leader of the revolt of 1857. Answer is right. Exercise C. Answer the following question. Number 1. What attracted the European traders to India? Answer. India was known all over the world for its riches. It was famous for its spices, textile, jewelry, and pulses. Question number 2. Why was it easy for the British to control the whole of India? Answer. The British set up their trading center in India by the name of English East India Company. They exploited all the sections of the society, such as farmers, craftsmen, traders, and rulers of India state. The British even followed the policy of divide and rule to expand their power in India. That is why it was easy for the British to control the whole of India. Question number 3. What was doctrine of lapse? Answer. According to this policy, if a ruler did not have a male child, then after the death of that ruler, his kingdom would be taken over by the British. Question number 4. What was the main reason behind the revolt of 1857? Answer. The revolt started because of the humor that the cover of cartridge used in the Enfield rifle was greased with fat of pig and cows. Soldiers had to bite off the bullet with their mouth before loading it in the rifle. This went against the religious beliefs of the Muslim and Hindu both. Number 5. Write the name of the leaders of the revolt. Answer. Some of the top leaders were Tatya Tope, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Azimullah Khan, Nana Sahib, Kunwar Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai. The soldiers declared the last Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar as their leader. Question number 6. What were the reasons of the failure of the revolt of 1857? Answer. This revolt of 1857 was suppressed by the British. Many reasons were there for the failure. Number 1. British army was much more organized. Number 2. They had better weapons while the Indian soldiers were fighting with lathis. Number 3. The revolt did not spread to all parts of India. Number 4. Many powerful rulers of that time did not support this revolt. Number 5. The leadership was weak. Number 7. What was the outcome of the revolt? Answer. Outcome of the revolt of 1857. Number 1. The English East India Company came to an end. Number 2. India was placed under the direct control of the British Crown. Number 3. Queen Victoria was declared as the Empress of India.